I would commentate this matchup, but I really have no idea with either of these two characters.
Sure? Let's compensate. Okay.
For melee, we have Arrow versus Jack.
Is this going? Okay. So it looks like we're coming in about the middle of the first game one.
Playing game one and Scraket.
It's interesting that he didn't go for the sweet spot. I mean, it worked out for him, but I'm not...
Yeah, it seems like Gimp would be able to stop the Lucas up with the really long right?
Yeah, with the lingering hitboxes, I feel like, and the disjoint, you know?
And the disjoint.
I feel like Fridge should have been able to stop the non-sweet spot. Fridge is dead, okay. I see you, Dot Matrix, in chat. See here, okay. Oh wow, that was very close. Oh no. Yeah.
Scraket.
Scraket with the Lucas comes. Okay.
So I think Scraket would want to go to like flatter stages like Smashville and FD. Game & Watch probably would want to go to stages like bigger stages like Dreamland and Casinos, maybe even Fountain. But yeah.
Okay, so why do you think that?
It allows Game & Watch to live longer and use his stages.
Okay, that makes sense. But I mean, it's not Game & Watch.
Yeah,
it's Fridge's Luigi. Yeah. Yeah. That's the second time that I've seen him miss that sweet spot. I wonder if
you got it there.
You got it there.
It's actually a little bit not sweet.
Okay. So
it seems like Fridge just wants to get Scraket in the air so that he can crouch against him. And Scraket's having a hard time like going Luigi. Lucas does have a hard time with that.
Is this any better? Dot Matrix.
Hello.
Talk to me.
Yeah, Dog Matrix. Why aren't you here?
Yeah, dude, why aren't you
Wake
here?
my dog if you're
Oh,
gonna come.
shit! I don't think I can swear.
Yeah.
I mean, but that was such a good upbeat. Okay. So
This is the side B sweet spot, but then gets the up B sweet spot. Up air, up throw
up
kill.
yeah, up throw kill.
Up throw will kill there. Scraket needing to make a comeback here.
Yeah. I mean, he's only down 1 stock, and like Lucas can definitely 0 to death Luigi.
Yeah, Luigi is really hard to make comebacks on though, because he can just do moves that'll end up trading and then come out ahead because he's ahead on stock.
Okay, I can see that.
And
Ooh.
there,
So
almost.
close, very close.
Yeah.
And it looks like they're just feeling each other out right now.
They're just trying to get a kill move, something to hit him off stage to start the edge guard. Ooh, I think
up
throw
might have killed there instead. This is kind of like
he's probably gonna die for it too.
Yeah, this is not that tall of a ceiling, so definitely up throw. Oh no, okay.
Maybe another. I think if he pummeled with up throw, it would have killed him.
Definitely. Ooh, that was very risky.
And
there it is. There it is. The up throw.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks like that'll kill like 10 or 15% earlier. I wonder why he's not.
Why he didn't do that earlier?
Yeah. I think the first time actually it probably wouldn't have killed, but.
No, it's
So Fridge trying to trade with Nair. Up smash not reaching the top platform. Not quite. Fridge trying to stay in the air where his aerials can trade and give him the advantage. He doesn't want to get comboed.
But this string is looking really
pseudo combos.
Yeah,
not letting Fridge get down.
The string is looking really strong right now. That's
Missed the tech.
Missing the tech. You can't do that.
No, Scraket doesn't have powered smashes yet, so killing really early will be a little harder. He's doing a good job of getting Fridge out of crouch cancel percentage though. But then over 100 get up.
Yeah.
So going now to game 3. Is this 3 or 5? C&D?
C&D.
Do you know if this is 3 or 5? 3 out of 5? Okay.
Okay. Oh, this is already winners finals? Okay. Yes. It went to Fridgebits.
So it's 1-1 now. Fridge trying to tech chase with down B and gets Scraket into the air.
It's interesting. I play a little bit of Luigi in Melee, and the down B is not nearly as strong. I think it is it.
Well, it's better in PM because you can mash and get off the ground, which makes it safer in certain circumstances. I don't really know very much about me and Luigi. So at this point, Fridge is looking for a fair or a dare, probably. Missing the down throw fair there. Scraket wants to just get a bear or.
I think at this point, actually,
or,
up throw might kill.
I think up throw needs another like 10-ish%. Okay, like now I think up throw will kill.
Yeah.
Fair
kills too.
Yeah, straight hits from Lucas seems to be the way.
I mean, most characters that's the way that you got to play against Luigi because he's too floaty to combo.
Yeah, at kill percents, there's no like kill confirms very easily. Shenanigans. like Scraket is doing pretty well in the neutral. He's...
No. That was nice. That was very nice.
Good edge guard.
Using the up B to block any of these side Bs.
Yeah. Fridge has Scraket in the air now and just doesn't want to let him get down.
Yeah.
Yep.
The reverse hit of the up smash is stronger, definitely. Jake, do you want to commentate? I'm like dying out.
For melee, we need Sofero to set up one.
No. Oh.
Dark Toad versus Speed.
Welcome.
Set 9 for melee.
Answer that question. Where are you? We are in Santa Clara.
Yeah. Oh, yep, Santa Clara.
San Jose area, yeah.
South Bay.
Fridge having a lead now probably wants to...
Oh, that crouch
goodness.
cancel. Oh my god.
Does he? He does not make it back.
No.
Oh goodness.
That was real good. There, here we go.
Using the
That's
up B to
smart,
stop
yeah.
the edge guard and just
Just
grabbing
fall
ledge.
safe with ledge, yeah. You gotta watch out for that double aerial.
Yeah, Fridge naring out of the combo.
Yeah, Luigi is gonna throw out hitboxes on his way down.
Yep.
You gotta shield them, punish after. PK freeze breaking through that down B from Luigi.
Good back arrow to shield from Fridge.
Ooh.
And the edge guard, does he get it?
He does, yep. Damn, alright.
So Fridge up, 2-1 now.
That's it.
So I expect, yeah, okay.
Run back, yeah,
Yeah.
absolutely. That's a good call. This is a good stage for Scraket.
Yeah, this is probably the best. I don't know if I would say it's the best stage in the matchup. I think FD would probably be better.
Yeah.
But I don't know how comfortable he would be against the FD Luigi.
Yeah, this stage is a high ceiling, but Lucas has no trouble killing off the top. His up smash is strong enough.
Low
that-
ceiling, but yeah. Luigi really likes the stage for the long horizontal main stage, and there's no top platform. So
Yeah,
that
he tried to edge guard.
he
got
did
it.
he did
There,
it.
yeah. Ooh, back air breaks out of that. Alright. Oh, he charges it.
Gets
yeah.
the tech chase down smash.
You saw that.
Oh,
Okay, that's
that
it.
was-
Yep,
that
yeah.
was a very good edge
The F tilt called. Okay. Yeah. So now he has the misfire saved up.
Oh, we should pin the challenge.
Yeah, we should. Michael just posted
Yeah,
it.
thank you, Mike.
Thanks. That's helpful. Ooh.
Fridge wants to get
Okay,
Yep,
there you go.
kills.
Yeah. Fridge is doing way better in neutral right now.
Yep.
Scraket needs to be moving around a little bit. He was before in the last game, but he slowed down a little bit. And here we go.
I think what it is Fridge is combo breaking out of stuff and
Yeah,
reversing things.
yeah.
Scraket's offense isn't quite safe, and Fridge is finding openings in Scraket's offense. He turns a situation that should be good for Scraket into a good one for himself.
Which Luigi is really good at.
Yeah.
That's always something you gotta be watching out.
You have to be.
Oh,
very
that
safe.
hits! Okay.
The powered up smash,
Yeah.
really huge.
Offense
hit.
up. He's still got that misfire saved.
Yep.
Nice, okay. Using that
Nice.
PK freeze to break in, but that down B,
Oh, the shield drop from Scraket to get out.
just get out. Yeah, that's Good not throwing out an aerial there.
Never expect Rage to go for the FB read.
Could just happen out of nowhere. Oh, yeah.
The up throw kill? Up throw
Throw
does
kills.
kill here.
Fridge turned around on accident on his shield.
Scraket wants to get a little bit of damage so that Fridge can't crouch cancel stuff on his next stock.
Okay.
Well, ideally, he'll combo him. Because
Alright,
at
no
low percent
jump.
is... Oh, does he? Can he make that back? He does.
Oh, okay, sneaks in. Good, that's smart to shield right there. You know Fridge is going to be looking for that nair, and
The
there,
nair,
okay, there
the
it is. As soon as he can, that nair comes
Yeah.
right out. That's definitely the tool you have to worry about most playing against
So
Luigi.
again, Scraket's doing well and gets the first hit, but then gets combo
Counter hit.
broken.
Yeah, exactly. He needs to watch out for those.
Yeah,
there's quick
again,
nairs.
Again, it just keeps happening.
Yeah. Oh, he just lets it rip. And he gets another one.
Double misfire? Can he make
He's
it
not
back?
hitting back.
No.
No.
Nutty.
Oh, wow, the
probably
turnaround.
it.
Wow, that's it.
Let's
go,
Fridge goes up
Fridgebits.
3-1.
Fridge, wow, okay.
With the double misfire.
3-1. Double misfire.
Double misfire, SD.
SD.
The two is like the first misfire was planned, but the misfire was not planned.
You just win for that side B. Fuck neutral side B.
Was Chad saying anything random?
Sorry, esports.
I beat German bracket. Force
Force Scraket, man.
Lego Weech.
For me.
Thank you for
You kept getting combo broken.
I did.
Yeah, so many nairs.
I did.
So many nairs. Yeah, that's tough. That's tough.
Is it cool if I head out?
Go for it. No one's required.
I'll hang out here.
Not be required.
We need me. Is there gonna be a match on stream right now?
I don't know.
Can me and Fee sneak in our?
I definitely want that on screen at some point.
Yeah. Do you think we can sneak it in, or? Let me check. Let me check bracket.
For Melee, we have Schweebs versus Moose on setup 7.
Oh, yeah. I really like Brandon. Where is Brandon? You guys, if you can see the bracket and you want to request a match that's about to happen, let us know. Post in chat. Brandon is doing commentary right now. Let's go. Brandon's doing commentary.